What's going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we will be looking at Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, as well as Verge to Bitcoin. So shout out to Matt Grable for commenting his cryptocurrency. If you guys want to be shouted out in tomorrow's video, please make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, and leave a comment telling me what cryptocurrency we should review in tomorrow's video. Otherwise, as you guys have read the title, where is cryptocurrency headed in the next few months? So I have a quick article, or I guess you could call it like a blurb somebody wrote, that we're going to discuss and look over, as well as some technical analysis. I did read your comments, and I do plan on incorporating that into future content. So I appreciate all of you for commenting other crypto content that you want to see on the channel. But let's jump right into today's video. So just a quick article, not to be like extremely bullish, but I just want to show you what people are posting within cryptocurrency and within Litecoin. So this was posted today. It says 2 reasons why Litecoin could break out. And it says around Christmas time, investors in the majority of cryptocurrency thought they were going to be spoiled with a splash of extravagant gifts, as well as a value of currencies shot up to amazing highs. But over the past few months, we have seen the market correcting itself back down to normal levels. The month Litecoin hit new 2018 lows in its value, nosediving to $93, which is the lowest level seen since the 8th of December of 2017, which, believe it or not, is not that long ago at all. This is a 48% drop from the high we saw in May. When the currency reached 182, some may say that this has turned the tide in favor of Litecoin's competitors, but oversold conditions could see the price of cryptocurrency shoot right back up. The RSI, or Relative Strength Index, which is what we use, guys, is showing Litecoin as being in oversold territory only days ago. It was below $30 for the first time in over 2 months. This gives a good idea of when the market for the coin is going to be shooting up, as when the currency is oversold, you typically see an uptrend in the market for the cryptocurrency. And then this is to end the article. It says, secondly, the NYDFS has given the green light for ItBit to list Litecoin on its exchange, a move which will give a regulated exchange market to Litecoin, thus making it safer to buy than it previously was. Further to the coin being a safer to trade in this new regulated market, it will also be opened up to new investors who will want to jump on the Litecoin bandwagon. While many people are selling their Litecoin at a loss due to the nosedive in its value, holding on could be worthwhile, as it's expected that the value of the currency will pick up fast due to 2 reasons given above. Time will tell whether or not Litecoin becomes the next big thing. So if you guys listened to me, heard the blurb, leave a comment below telling me where you think cryptocurrency is headed in the next few months. Do you think we're going to see it break down and nosedive all the way down to lows as low as like $60, $50, $40? Or do you guys think we're going to break up and start to retest areas at $150, $200, maybe even $300? Where do you see cryptocurrency going in the short term, maybe the next few months? So yeah, leave that below, and let's jump into today's TA. So just quickly, I know the market is definitely due to or in a consolidation period right now, if you've been watching the past few videos. So we're not seeing much crazy movement, but you know, the longer and longer we see the currency just chill like it's doing, it usually tends to break up. To show you like previous times where that's done that, if we go right back to here, you can see we have oversold conditions right at the bottom. We were consolidating for a much long period, and then we shot up to like 170. Then we consolidated again for much longer and shot all the way up again to 180. So it is definitely possible to see the currency right now break out of this extreme downtrend and go up to retest that high-low MMA at around $148, $150. So I am expecting a move bringing us up to that level. That's definitely where I see Litecoin going, but it's coming to an end, guys. This is not going to continue for much longer. It's coming back down. We're on this trend line going up, and it's due for either a breakout or a breakdown. So be mindful, be patient. We're definitely going to see something happen. Checking out Bitcoin right now. Actually, we didn't even look at the coin market cap. So I'm going to refresh this and let's see where we're headed. So I guess we're having a somewhat down day today. Out of the top 10 coins, we are practically all broken down. Not too much. We're down 1, maybe 2, 3% max. But overall, not too bad. We're at around 282 on the market cap. I'd like to see that get us above 300, hopefully within the next week. But what's interesting, guys, is you can see on Bitcoin where we retested highs right here, this downtrend holding very, very, very strong, which could potentially be a bad thing, but holding very strong. You can see we retested it 1, 2, now a third time. Could even honestly move it down ever so slightly. So we do have a touch here again, and now we're going for our third attempt to basically come to a end of this cryptocurrency. I did say we were going to see a lot of consolidation within this right now, and that is exactly what happened. And again, pulling it back to another time where we had consolidation, we broke up. Same thing here, consolidation, we broke up. So good chance that there is a possibility of breaking upwards. You can see we are pretty low on that stock RSI and below high-low MMAs. And last time when I said we were below here, we were coming right back up. And again, we were coming right back up. So I'm pretty darn certain we're going to come back up to retest areas at around $8,500. So be mindful. I do think we're going there very, very, very soon if we break up. So be mindful of that. Like, I really want to stress that we should be breaking upwards to that $8,500 region. I don't think we're going to go down. You know, when we were in this area, we were overbought. You know, we were too high up. So I was anticipating a pull down. And you know, it's really not abnormal to see the currency fall and go back down to oversold conditions where Bitcoin is. And now we're going to expect to go all the way back up in that area to maybe overbought conditions instead of being oversold. So expect this currency to go back up into that region. Ethereum now retesting that downtrend. You can see again how strong this is. Retested here, retested here, retested here, still broke down, and that's pretty much what it's doing right now for Bitcoin in the long term. So I do think Ethereum is following Bitcoin and Litecoin's trend right now, and I am looking to see it consolidate maybe a little bit longer, but it's definitely due to break upwards, hopefully, again with the same scenario. There is more of a chance for Ethereum to go down because of how high it is on the stock RSI at around 41. There is more of a chance than for Bitcoin, which is practically at like 35, and then Litecoin, which is pretty much bottomed out at like 33, pretty low, 32. So Bitcoin basically completing this descending triangle. We're due to see something happen tomorrow, maybe definitely within this week. So by the end of this week, maybe by Saturday or Sunday, we'll definitely see where this market is headed. So all eyes on cryptocurrency. I've been watching it, studying it. We're gonna see some action this week, guys. So hold on to your seatbelts. Lastly, let's check out Verge. Verge doing pretty much Verge things, trading on a downtrend right now. So wouldn't really recommend. This is XVG to BTC. I believe it is Verge. Correct me if I'm wrong. XLM is Stellar. XVG is Verge. Yeah, okay. So Verge is looking interesting on this graph. I'm not sure if I'm on the right one, but let's just check for a second. XVG to the Bitcoin, the dollar. Let's do Bitcoin. XVG. We'll do a different graph to BTC because I believe I reviewed this in the past and it was on a different account. All right, here we go. This is better. So we're now looking at Verge on Binance, which has been trading on it for, I guess, a lot longer. So we have a better graph. And again, we've already discussed this graph in significant detail a few videos ago. So if you scroll through my page, guys, or Matt Grabble, if you scroll through the page, you'll be able to see where I made this video. I did comment Verge, so you should be able to find it. But again, I'll just briefly go over what I said. Just to sum it up shortly, you can see right here the breakout. We have a trend line right here for the most part, just like that. Move this down a little bit. And then we have another trend right here, which is practically coming to an end. Honestly, it is just a day of consolidation for Verge. It's pretty much just floating right now. You can see both downtrends. It is due to move up. I really do think it is due to move up very soon. We are basically flatlined on the stock RSI, so it is due to break upwards again below that high-low MMA. And if you notice, if history repeats itself, we should be definitely mooning or moving up in this general direction. Maybe a smaller jump, something like that, and then some consolidation downwards, but something smaller but very similar to these giant bursts that Verge has had in the past. But that's going to sum up the video for today, guys. If you like what you saw, subscribe, turn on post notifications to the channel, leave comments, let me know what content you want to see, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.